Hello, I'm Linda Lee and I'm a medical provider. I have two passions in my life, medicine, acupuncture, and cooking. Today, what I'm going to show you is easy cooking with Dr. Linda. Today, I'm going to make two dishes. One is tofu with garlic spice. Another is potato with kimchi. The ingredient I'm going to use is organic tofu. Please remember, choose firm. Kimchi, which is a pickled cabbage from Korea. Sea salt, olive oil, roasted garlic spice, my favorite. Okay, here I'm going to start chop the kimchi from the jar. Kimchi is very commonly used in South Korea. I love that flavor. Okay, I can put the chopped kimchi into the small bowl. Look pretty. Now I'm going to cut the potatoes. You peel potato first and then you slice them. If it's a very big one, you can cut it small first. Okay, I still have my 5 fingers. Okay, this is two big potatoes. Okay, this one is ready. Now I'm going to cut the tofu. One package of tofu you can cut from center first. Just divide it into half. And then another half, another half. Now, one more time, half. 1/3, 1/3. Same thing. divide it into equally. I like to make tofu because it's a protein from a plant. More and more people now choose a plant-based diet, but we all need protein, so tofu is made from soy and excellent source of protein. But many people don't know how to make tofu tasty, and many people think tofu just look boring, taste boring, and nobody wants it. So today I'm going to show you such a simple cooking and make it delicious. Now let's start cooking. I use a wok with a flat bottom because my electrical stove is flat surface. You wait a couple minutes until the wok is hot, and you can put oil. Probably 2-3 tablespoons will be good. And you can put your tofu in. Let it pan fry for probably a few minutes, and you can turn the side until you see golden brown, light golden brown, and turn a couple times. Sometimes not every side of tofu become golden brown, which is okay, no worry. It's all cooked in the same wok, same heat. If you like a little bit stronger, you can sprinkle some sea salt on the surface also, because the garlic spice usually doesn't give enough sodium. So, but some people need to have low sodium diet, so no need to add any salt. Now I'm ready to add roasted garlic spice. It's from this jar. It's a pre-made spice, and you can just sprinkle a little bit, and then stir. And then you can add a little bit more spice. Depends on how strong the flavor you want. Now they look about ready. So one more time stir. And then look perfect. Turn off stove, and time to put in a container. Okay. Second dish we are cooking today is a potato with kimchi sauce. I start with the same wok, flat bottom, and let it warm a few minutes, couple minutes, until bottom wok is warm enough. And same thing, you add olive oil or any other oil you like. For that 2-3 potatoes, you probably use 2-3 tablespoons oil. That will be enough. And after add oil, you cook kimchi sauce first, but not too long, probably 1 minute cooking kimchi sauce. And you put all potato into that. Stir them, let it sit, and you can use a wok for a couple times, or just let it keep cooking until the potato becomes soft. You can add a little bit of salt if you like, otherwise kimchi gives a pretty good flavor, and also that dish looks very pretty. You can also cover it for short period of time to shorten the cooking time. Usually the stove temperature, you probably want to highest. I smell the sauce. Smells so good. Cover couple more times. But when you cover that, not too long, because you don't want the bottom potato gets burned. Now it's close to the finishing, so you may want to turn the stove temperature lower a little bit, probably 25% lower, so it will not be burned. Because the potato is a starch food, they are like a glue. I usually don't measure the cooking time, how long. I go by gas. You can also taste the potato when you use a fork or chopsticks. If it's tender, can break down easily, that means they are ready. Now I turn off the stove. Give it one more time. Stir, make sure bottom not get burned. Really smell good. I think they are ready. Put them into this bowl. Now both dish is ready. Tofu with roasted garlic spice and the potato with kimchi sauce. One protein, one carbohydrate. Sounds a very good combination. You may want to add vegetable salad or fruit salad so you can have a whole meal. Don't you think it's easy? One ingredient, one spice. Make life easy and tasty. I hope you enjoy cooking. See you next time.